welcome back to my channel. As many of you may know, June is Pride Month, so today's tutorial is going to be a rainbow inspired makeup look. And my go-to palette for color is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. So that is what I'm going to be using today. Okay, so after I apply that yellow shade all over the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this blue shade, and I'm actually going to put that in the middle of my eyelid, as you'll see me later go in with green to blend those two colors out. Alright, so now I'm just going back and forth with the brushes, and then I'm taking this big blending brush and kind of just making sure everything is seamless. Y'all see how beautiful this palette is? Oh my goodness, I love it. So now I'm going to take from my outer corner this purple shade. I actually ended up mixing that top purple shade I showed and then the lowest purple shade, which is a lot deeper. I mixed those two together, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out my outer corner. Alright y'all, so now we're going in with the other eye, and I'm using the same yellow shade on the inner corner, but this side is going to be lighter colors, so it's a little bit harder to blend, but you know, not too much. You just do the same thing, and I'm using a lot of the same brushes. I'm not really worried about color transfer, as they're all going to blend in together anyways. Alright, like I said, I'm doing the same thing as I did on the other side, it's just different colors. So now I'm taking this red shade, and I'm going to place that on the middle of my eyelid, and then later I will go in with an orange shade to blend the yellow and the red out. Y'all enjoy my duck lips for the win. Alright, so for the outer V on this side, I'm going to be using pink and purple. It's the same purple that we used on the other side, but I'm just going to be blending it into pink this time. It may look a little messy, but once I throw my lashes on and do my lower lash line, it'll all come together. Just wait. You got to trust the process. Blend, blend, honey. Okay, it's time to do the lower lash line now. And I'm just going in with the same colors at the top, and I'm still doing that rainbow effect. And I'm just gonna go in with each color on the bottom as I did on the top. Okay, so for my inner corner here, I'm just using the back of one of my brushes and I'm applying some lash glue so that I can apply some glitter pigment. And the glitter pigment I'm using is going to be from J. LaRue Cosmetics. It's the white gold pigment. It is so pretty and I feel like it just made this look pop, okay? Alright guys, that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. We'll see y'all next week.